And it also fits a little more than I thought. I actually thought it would fit nothing. Like, I actually thought it would fit maybe a phone and a wallet.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about the adorable Coach Troupe 16 Tote. Look at how cute she is. Everything about her is so little. So in this video, I am going to be talking about how she held up, what fits, and I will show you some mod shots at the very end. So stay tuned.
So again, this is the Coach Troupe 16 with weaving. I reviewed the Coach Hutton with weaving in a different video, so I will link below the review to that handbag. So here we have the brass and confetti pink multi version. It's $550 and it's very small and cute. So here is the website description for this handbag. For dreaming and doing, the compact Troupe Tote 16 combines style and versatility, detailed with intricately woven geometric patterns. The chic gloved hand leather design is a more petite version of the original and features a structured frame top with an open interior. A perfectly secure magnetic bar closure is finished with a new twist on our iconic turn lock, and the detachable shoulder strap lets you be hands-free whenever you need to be. So like the description said, this is gloved hand leather, very nice. And the strap has a 21.5-inch drop. And this handle has a 2.5-inch drop. So, I mean, you could put it over your wrist like this. It goes up to here for me. And the dimensions are 6 3/4 in length in inches, 7.5 inches high, and 3 1/4 inch wide. So I actually really love this more than I thought I would, because it's just so different than what I would normally get. And it also fits a little more than I thought. I actually thought it would fit nothing. Like, I actually thought it would fit maybe a phone and a wallet. But it's actually kind of cavernous on the inside. Everything about this is so cute, from the cute tiny straps. So these straps are very small and delicate and very cute, but they nicely added like a thicker strap here for comfort, which I appreciate when companies think about your comfort as well. So this actually felt, you know, very comfortable. It's kind of thicker. It's really nice. And again, everything about this is so cute. The tiny straps. And look at this cute little turn lock right here. And like the description said, it's magnetic right here to keep it shut, which is really nice. And they have cute little tiny feet on the bottom of this bag as well. Just everything about this bag is so cute and petite. It's definitely a statement bag. Although I don't know if I would put loose things in here, only because of these holes, and I'm clumsy, so I drop things, or, you know, I'm just always I'm just a pretty clumsy person, and I know that I will lose things because it's just not very secure. But I also don't think that the mini pochette can fit in here if you want like a catch-all, but I'm sure if there was a smaller catch-all it could fit. But, you know, let's just try it. So let's just see what fits. Let's try the mini pochette and see first. I think she's too big. So it does not fit a mini pochette for sure, but she will fit a card holder, a 10S phone, sunglasses, key pouch. And if you wanted to, let's see if she will fit a iPhone 8 Plus. So the iPhone 8 Plus can fit horizontally, so I would imagine with the 10s size, you can also fit horizontally as well. And she shuts. I was very surprised at how much could fit in her, just because it's such a petite handbag. And it's really nice gloved tan leather, so this is the 1941. So it's very nice. It actually looked pretty good as a crossbody for me, and I normally don't prefer crossbodies that are more vertical in shape. I usually like the more horizontal, but because this bag is so small and petite, it actually fit my frame pretty well, so I really like that. So let's see if she can fit a full-size sunglasses case. So she can fit horizontally like this. And the inside is, I believe, a fabric, by the way. It's a fabric. So, and then got your card holder, got your phone. I actually think the phone needs to go first. Phone, sunglasses case, key pouch, and if you wanted to put a lip product in here, which again I wouldn't dare do this because I'm so clumsy and I know things will fall out. Hand sanitizer over here. And see if she closes. Oops. So she totally does. So again, I was very surprised at how much she fit, but let's see if things fall off. Yeah, my lip thing just fell off. I mean, I wouldn't be running around like this, obviously, but just so you're aware, if you're like me, Yeah, I was pleasantly surprised by her. She is definitely pricey for such a small handbag. Again, this is definitely a statement piece. And she's light. She's not heavy at all. She's a very light bag, which I love that. Yeah, so the price is on the high side. I'm not sure if I can justify the price to something so small, although I do understand sometimes smaller things are definitely harder to assemble, so I understand that. It was definitely smaller than I thought it would be, too. Definitely. It was teeny tiny when I got it. I don't like the big gaps on the side, although I do understand it helps accommodate a lot of product this way, because if it didn't have these gaps, I mean, I guess they could have like the magnet go all the way this way, I don't know. But it's absolutely adorable, and the gloved hand leather is a real treat. Here are a few close-ups. So anyway, stay tuned for mod shots, and if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you again in the next video. Thanks, bye.